Now we shall look at how to type without using a keyboard, and that also in different languages. Now, first of all, in Microsoft Word, open Microsoft Word, and in this file, home, insert, all these options are given. Choose home, and at the right side we have dictate. Click on the dictate tab and start speaking. I am clicking on this. Essential skills and competencies of a secretary or administrative assistant. Clerical and administrative assistance to officials in the organization for coordination, supervision, and administration of various projects with written or oral communication, along with computing and presentation skills. Academic qualifications. No specific academic qualifications are needed, but it is advantageous if possessing, because more than the qualifications on your resume, the leadership skills and secretarial skills matters. Digital literacy, fluency in English, and competency in as many secretarial skills as possible from those I will be mentioning in this session will enhance the efficiency and fine-tune your skills with apps and gadgets. Mastering these skills will not be an overnight job. So even if you do not know certain things, make constant efforts to learn new things and be happy to be corrected. When you finish, you click on this. Then you have the text. Now you can edit just like any other text. So you type now without any keyboard. Now you can edit from change this as usual in the computer and then do whatever modifications that you want. All those things are possible. This is one method. Now another method, you can close Word and then go to Google. In Google, if you can either type here docs.google.com and enter, you will get this screen. Or in Google, when you open, if you are your Gmail will be here. No, right side you can see your Gmail. Instead of going Gmail, at the right side, if you click on this app icons, so there will be many options. Out of that, Google Docs and will be a Google Docs. So you click on this Google Docs. That also will reach the same place. Either this method or this method, you are on the right place. So click on this blank sheet, or if you want the existing ones you can take. But now I take a blank sheet, and on this blank sheet, this is just like Microsoft Word, another free option by the Google Sheet. So in order to type, you can directly start typing with a keyboard. If you do not want to use keyboard, click on this use tools and voice typing. After choosing here, we have to choose which language you want to speak. Now for example, it's English US is by default. Now if I want English itself, but Indian English or Malayalam or whichever language I want. So I can choose the language. Now first I take English India, and then it takes something which just like what we typed earlier. We shall try on that. After choosing the language, we need to touch on that keyboard, and then we can start typing. Touch on this. Hello, this is a session for the secretaries of a congregation to learn how to type without a keyboard. Now when you don't want, you can stop. So depending on your pronunciation, how good is your pronunciation, that way it will be typing. So if you slowly or properly if you read, it will be coming correctly. Now I'll type Malayalam. You choose from here some other language which you want, English, Hindi, Marathi, all kind of languages are there. So let me see where I can speak. Tamil, okay, Malayalam. I click on the mic and then start speaking. സ്വർഗസ്ഥനായ ഞങ്ങളുടെ പിതാവേ, അങ്ങയുടെ നാമം പൂജിതമാകണമേ, അങ്ങയുടെ രാജ്യം വരണമേ, അങ്ങയുടെ തിരുമനസ്സ് സ്വർഗത്തിലെ പോലെ ഭൂമിയിലുമാകണമേ. അന്ന് വേണ്ടുന്ന ആഹാരം നീ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് തരണമേ. So you can go on typing. It comes in the software. You can copy from here and go to Word, or you can edit it here itself. So copy from here and then you can open your Microsoft Word and then you can paste it there if you want, and then edit as you just like you did the previous time. So there are different options to type without a keyboard, and after a few days of training you can read as fast as you want, and then it will type for you in any language. Or if you want to do the same in mobile also we can use that by activating the Google text to speech or Samsung text to speech from the mobile settings.